Hello, Math 3A online students. We are going to go over some important course policies. Anytime you need to check on these policies, you can go to the syllabus. You can access it off of the syllabus tab on the left side of the Canvas page. There also is a link on the home page on Canvas that will take you there as well. You can download a Word copy of the syllabus if you like. All of the information is also here on the Canvas page. Again, if you are wanting to message me, please do so through the Canvas messaging system. You access that by clicking on the Inbox tab on the very left-hand side of your Canvas page. Just a reminder, required materials are the MyMathLab Access. It's a Pearson online product. You do not need the physical copy of the textbook. When you access your MyLab account, you have the full online e-text version of the textbook. You also need a calculator of some sort. If you would like to get a graphing calculator, if you would like to get a scientific calculator, if you don't want to buy one, I recommend using the free online calculator Desmos. It's super easy to use and it's very user-friendly. A reminder on the grading breakdown: exams and final exam 60%, assignments 35%, discussions 5%. Anything that is titled as MyLab content has no impact on your grade. I know that there are points that show up, but just ignore it. This is the only way I can get the MyLab content to show up nicely in Canvas. So again, anything that says MyLab content, 0%, it does not go towards your grade. At the end of the semester, you can see the percentage breakdown to know what letter grade you would get in the class. Unless otherwise stated, the time that an assignment is due is 11:59 p.m. on the due date. You can see them in Canvas, you can see them in MyLab. This is an online class. It's up to you to be responsible, pay attention, and make sure that you stay on track. Late work for assignments and discussions, you can still work on those past the due date, but you're only going to receive 60% of the credit. So let's say you have a 10-point assignment, you complete it late, you're only going to get 6 points. This deduction only will apply to any work that's done after the due date. Any late work for this class would be due by 11:59 p.m. on Monday, December 9th, same day as when the final exam is due. No makeup exams are given. If you miss an exam, what we'll do is we'll put in your final exam score for that. There's no extra credit opportunities, so just do the assignments, do the exams, and you won't need to be asking for that extra credit. You can see information on the exams. Again, no makeups will be given. When you begin an exam, make sure you're able to complete it in that one sitting. Once you open an exam, it needs to be started. If you have some sort of testing accommodation through the DSP&S office, please talk with me as soon as possible. That way we know what you need and we can get that set up ahead of time. There will be mandatory cumulative final exam. So because there are no makeup exams, there's no late exams, if you miss an exam, we will put in that final score. If you haven't missed any, then you can use the final exam to replace your lowest of your chapter exams. So that's to give you guys some motivation to do well on the final. Technology, obviously this is an online course, that's very important. Make sure you are logging into Canvas daily, checking emails, all of that good stuff. There's lots of resources for this class, myself, each other. MyLab has amazing resources. You can access the textbook, videos, PowerPoint slides, review. So definitely take time to get to know the MyLab website. There's free online tutoring through Smart Thinking. You'll see that on the left side of the Canvas page. Khan Academy, YouTube, there are probably not infinitely many, but a lot of online resources as well. If you find something that you think is really awesome, let me know. I can help send that out to the rest of the class. Drop policies. You will be dropped if any of the following occur. If you have not responded to the Introduce Yourself discussion by Wednesday, August 14th at 11:59 p.m., not having an active MyLab account by Wednesday, August 14th at 11:59 p.m., not completing the syllabus quiz by Wednesday, August 14th, 11:59 p.m., and finally, not having paid access, so that means full access to MyLab by Friday, August 30th at 11:59 p.m. If you decide to drop the course on your own, you need to make sure that you go into WebAdvisor and do so. You can read through the college policies section and then also some important dates there for the semester. The holidays don't affect us, but they may affect your face-to-face classes if you have any of those going on. All right, so that is kind of an overview of the important policies. Please make sure that you do read through the syllabus, you are able to answer the syllabus quiz questions correctly, and please message me if you have any questions or concerns. Thanks.